Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and noting current IP, gateway, and DNS so you can revert if needed. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, or Control Panel and Network Connections. Make sure you select the adapter currently in use. Once selected, right-click and choose Properties or Advanced Settings to access protocol options. You're now positioned to change core parameters instead of fumbling through irrelevant menus. Keep the old values handy in case you must roll back. You'll change the protocol settings. Pick IP4 or IP6 and decide between DHCP and manual configuration. If you choose manual, enter a static IP, subnet mask, and gateway that fit your network, then add primary and secondary DNS entries. Make sure the address isn't already in use to avoid conflicts, and adjust the interface metric if traffic prioritization matters. If required, add static routes for specific networks. Once done, apply settings, but do not close diagnostic windows until connectivity is verified. You finish by verifying connectivity. Run ipconfig or ifconfig and ping the gateway and an external DNS to confirm reachability. Flush DNS and renew the lease if name resolution fails, then test several websites or a trace route to isolate issues. Make sure firewall rules or drivers aren't blocking traffic. If things still fail, revert to your saved original settings to restore baseline, then methodically check physical cables, adapter drivers, and any VPN or proxy settings to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.